Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at dental calculus. And stick around for information about these professional strength amazing teeth whitening pens. And leave comments with any teeth cleaning tips you might have. In dentistry, calculus or tartar is a form of hardened dental plaque. It's caused by precipitation of minerals from saliva and gingival crevicular fluid in plaque on the teeth. This process of precipitation kills the bacterial cells within dental plaque, but the rough and hardened surface that is formed provides an ideal surface for further plaque formation. This leads to calculus buildup, which compromises the health of the gingiva. Calculus can form both along the gum line, where it is referred to as supragingival, and within the narrow sulcus that exists between the teeth and the gingiva, where it is referred to as subgingival. Before we continue, don't forget to check out these teeth whitening pens. Link in the description below. Calculus formation is associated with a number of clinical manifestations, including bad breath, receding gums, and chronically inflamed gingiva. Brushing and flossing can remove plaque from which calculus forms. However, once formed, calculus is too hard to be removed with a toothbrush. Calculus buildup can be removed with ultrasonic tools or dental hand instruments, as you see in these clips. So there you go, folks. Don't forget to leave me a comment with tips you have for keeping your teeth beautiful. And now, the teeth whitening pens I promised you.
Hey folks, if you want to whiten your teeth but want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.